I'm out here checking this pond for mosquitoes, and I come up to this thing, which it's completely dry around it, but it's full of water. So I look at it, I'm like, what the freak? And so I walk up to it, and there's a ladder in here. So I'm like, what the flip? How deep does this water go? Like, I want to see how deep that is, but guess what? It's too murky. I can't see the bottom. But then there's these things. What the freak are those? Are those open and close stuff? I don't know. Do you guys have any ideas? Let me know, because I have no idea.